what does it sound like to be shot at by subsonic rounds? Let's go. So right now we're at 50 yards away from the shooters. We're behind approximately 2 million cubic feet of earth to protect us. And we're going to be hearing what it sounds like.
UMP 45 ACP. Suppress 45 ACP, LWRC, SMG 45.
Yo, getting shot like Tarkov players, it's real.
Alright, we're doing the 300 black.
Oh, that's weird.
What was that? What was that?
Big skip over there.
It hit something, ricocheted, dude.
Yeah.